I finally implemented context to my app after spending hours trying to get it right. After getting the user authentication done previously, I needed the entire application to know whether a user was logged in or not so that they can access the page like the dashboard. So I looked into context in the React docs, and as quoted on there, it says context provide a way to share values like these between components without having to explicitly pass a prop through every level of the tree. So the information I need to provide to the entire application was: number one, is the user authenticated, and who is the user? I managed to get this done, but I ran into a couple of issues that whenever I refresh the page, the app would show the initial values of the state and then change depending on the use effect, which may not bug anyone, but I couldn't move past until I fixed it. The way I did it was I saw a video of someone fixing this issue with a short loading screen to hide the change, which I implemented to my app. And this is how I did it. Once I had that sorted, I wanted the navigation to change. The navigation to change whenever I change the view. So depending on if I was on the login form, the blogs, plan and resources page won't show, and same with the login and register thing, icons, and same on the dashboard. I don't want the nav bar there besides your user and the logout button. So after spending a couple of hours trying to use context to solve it, I created a function to solve it.
Anyway, that's everything I've done so far. Hopefully you subscribe for future episodes, clips, videos, yada yada yada.